CES this year, Sony introduced its 360 reality audio system. It's a setup that's meant for more immersive audio and just to make you sound like you're sitting inside the music. There's a really technical explanation for how it all works, and the demo that we got at CES was very delicate, as you would say, with little wires that go underneath headphones in order to calibrate things. Well, Sony was clear from the beginning that it was working to make that calibration part of a smartphone app, so it would be something that you always carried in your pocket, and you could always fine-tune whatever headphones you had, probably from Sony, to the music that you were going to listen to. And it would set up those headphones for your ears and for that 360 reality audio. To briefly explain how 360 reality audio works, think of it as if you were sitting inside of a sphere and your head was right in the middle. The audio setup allows a sound engineer, music producer, someone in the studio to move instruments and other things around your head. So for instance, the drums could be behind you, the guitars could be out front, the singer could be above you, things like that, just for an example. So now that Sony has made its very technical demo part of its headphones app that is already available for your phone, it's how you set noise cancellation, adjust the EQ levels, things like that for models that are already out and available for the public. Now you can use that to calibrate the software and your headphones for 360 reality audio. How you do that is a little delicate as well. You have to take a photo of both of your ears, one at a time. The app will walk you through this automatically, but if you can't get it to line up exactly, you can manually take the photos as well. Right now, Sony has the phone set up on a pedestal, so you don't have to hold it yourself. Things could get a little tricky when either you have to hold the phone or someone else has to hold the phone for you in order to get this to work. Once you have a photo of both ears, the app analyzes your particular shape and creates a sound profile so you'll be ready to listen to that new immersive audio. Now, being that we're at a trade show, we weren't able to listen to just any music we wanted to. Sony had some demo tracks of regular stereo and then 360 reality audio, so you could switch back and forth. It also had some regular music that was already set up with the new immersive audio profile. You can definitely tell a difference from going from regular stereo to this new 360 audio version, but I'm not quite sure that I could tell a crazy difference between an unanalyzed audio or the audio that was there from the person before me and then what was calibrated specifically to my ears. Obviously, we're in a crazy trade show setup, and I didn't have a lot of time to really analyze the ins and outs of the differences, but once this is available for home use, it will definitely be interesting to see if it makes a difference. At the very least, Sony is giving you the ability to further fine-tune and customize your headphones after you spend hundreds of dollars on them. Of course, the demo here at IFA, we're using Sony's flagship 1000X M3 noise-canceling headphones. It's the top-of-the-line model they have right now, and it's the one that they really want to use to show off this immersive audio. As with any new file format or profile or anything like that, availability is going to be key. Sony has access to a lot of content since it also owns a record label, but it'll be interesting to see how widespread the adoption is of this sound profile, and if it's something that you can easily access or you only have access to with select artists. Eventually, it will be part of the existing Sony headphones app that's already out, but we're not quite sure when that update will come that will bring this ear calibration software to your phone. For more headphone news and ear analyzing smartphone apps, keep it locked at Engadget.
Thank you.